Welcome to our channel ITyug. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to remove viruses from your PC or laptop without using any third-party antivirus. This is officially the part 1. Viruses and malwares can be very disturbing because they can crash your system, they can slow down the processor. First, end running virus-related processes in Task Manager. This process will end with running virus-related programs on your PC, stopping the virus from spreading all over your device. So, step 1. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to open Task Manager. On the Processes tab, check each running process listed in the window. Select any unfamiliar processing programs. Search online to confirm. Once confirmed, it's a virus-related program. Click End Task to stop it from infecting your PC and device. Step 2. Disable unknown or strange processes from Windows Startup. This is an effective action to block strange malware or virus to take over your computer from the startup. Step 1. Open System Configuration or Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Scroll down to select all programs with unknown manufacturers and click Disable. Usually, programs with unknown manufacturers are related to the malware and even virus. Number 3. Turn Windows Defender Firewall on. By doing so, it will block furthermore viruses from infecting your computer and storage devices. Open Control Panel. Click Windows Defender Firewall. Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Step 2. Check the boxes of Turn on Windows Defender Firewall and click OK to confirm. If you like this kind of content, you can just subscribe to our channel, and I'll meet you in the next video.